No light up then. Finally, the last section. Hmm. Okay. So thanks, guys, for joining early morning. Okay. So yesterday we had a discussion about the prompt option. Okay. Let's move to the next property. Let's move to the next property output. Let's create the custom report. Okay. Let's take the all active and terminated workers. I select the couple of details. Okay. And I'm able to run the report and see the data. Okay, guys. Now, what is the a default output you are seeing here? Table, right? Online table. So by defaultly, you are seeing here as a table, correct? The output you are seeing by defaultly as a table. Go to custom report and edit. Go to next output property. So what is the default output you are looking for? Table, guys.
Table.
Table.
Perfect. So in case you are looking for a chart option, see, you expand the chart option. If you selected the chart option and it is coming by defaultly columns cluster, top 50 values will display, correct? And by default it is taking summarization and see the summarization by cost center wise total summarization is taking, correct? Total compensation. Okay. So cluster columns are coming. You expand this one. See, this is the table. Next, we have a different chart options are available. Click on here. So by default, you are seeing cluster columns. In case you want to see donut, you can see the donut. You want to see lines, you can see the lines. You want to see bubbles, you can see bubble cluster columns, stocked columns, 100% columns, cluster bar columns. Okay, you can see each cost center how much total compensation you can see this. Okay, okay. So earlier this output is coming by defaultly table. Now you can see the output type as a chart. Okay, here you can see your chart option. So you want to go by category wise company, Okay, in case you want to categorize the company, okay, and you want to see, okay, total in company, you want to see the total compensation, correct? Yeah, you can see the output is, maybe I'm looking for donut option. Okay, the output is coming donut option. You can see company wise total compensation should come. Okay, so this chart option will help you. Okay, whatever chart you are looking for. Okay, in case if you are looking for donut option, correct, or you want to see cluster columns, stocked columns. Okay, like, yeah, sorry. So we can see various options we can see, guys, and you want to categorize it for cost center, company, you want to go by gender, you want to go by cost center, whatever you want, and what specific, okay, series you want to group by, you can see that options. Okay, so this is the output chart output, guys. Okay, you can see the table also. If you click on the table, again you can see the output is in a table. Okay, you can, in case you want to see both the chart as well as table, we can also do that option as well. Go to custom report and edit. Go to output. Let's go to the third option. Chart as well as table. Both should become. See? Okay, you can see chart. You can also see the output as a table, correct? So both are coming fine. Okay, it's very simple. So by defaultly, the advanced report output as a table, correct? If in case if you want to see as a table, sorry, chart option, you can select the output type as chart. Okay. Sometimes business would like to see chart as well as table. In such cases, we can choose the chart and table as well. Okay. The next one is gauge option. See, gauge. Okay. When you are using this gauge option, okay, you have to define the range of the gauge. Okay. You have to define the range of gauge. This is altogether separate example. This is the URL for the gauge report example. Okay. Yeah, it's 1 minute. See, guys, this is the URL. Okay, will help you how to build a basic gauge report. Okay, so this is the very simple custom advanced report. how we are going to create the gauge option. Okay, so this is the report. You can download this report and see how they created the gauge option. Okay, they selected all active workers. They selected, sorry, workers for HCM reporting. Sorry, guys. This is a data source filter, and we selected only worker business object. We selected field is one, and that we are using the sum. In the output option, so these all the different gauge options we selected. See now? Okay, we selected the different gauge options we selected here. Okay, see material value label override. Okay, and gauge option 2. Okay, so what range we have selected, we can see that option. Okay, like so they want to display the, okay, 0 to 0 good, 1 to 1 warning, 2 to 20 bad. Means we have to define the specific range we can display. I will show you one report. Okay, okay, so here this one gauge range. Okay, so here we are displaying zone 1 from 0 to 0.75, 0.076 to 0.15 is warning, and then 0.151 to 0.2, that's coming to 0 zone 2, and we want to display bad. Okay, the gauge report will be displaying like this. Okay, turnover for managers. Okay, okay, see different colors we are going to display. Okay, so that can be, okay, that can be, see, good, warning, and bad, and we also taking the round. Okay, we are taking the round down, correct? Okay, so very rare chances we are creating this report, guys. Very rare chances we are creating these reports. Okay, so here you can see the organization. Okay, organization is a business object, and this is the, okay, the turnover percentage subordinate organizations. Okay, how you will get the, okay, a turnover percentage including the subordinates. See, employee termination count including the subordinate organization average head. You will take the employee termination count divided by employee average count. Then you will get the turnover. Then you will get the turnover, guys. So what you are going to do, this turnover is in 0 to 0.75, it's good. In case the turnover value 0.076, it's warning. In case the turnover 0.15 to 0.2, it's bad. Okay. So that is what this report will indicate. Okay. And this we will get the calculated field upcoming sessions. Okay. We are taking the employee termination count, including their subordinates and average head count. So how many people got terminated? How many people are in active? In this range, we are checking these borders. Then these red round down will display for the gauge range. Okay, so that is what we are just able to run this report and see the output. Okay, okay, guys. Yeah. So this is one more good example for the simple gauge report. Okay, you can download this report. Okay, you can download this report, and they have given the very detailed information. Okay, go to, this is the report name, and report type is advanced. This is the data source. You selected the only worker, and you selected the only one value you can select in the field. You take the options sum, and now don't need to. Okay, so here you can display the gas totals. Okay, okay, just select this checkbox. Okay, and filter. I think we are using the filter condition. These filter conditions. Okay, higher date less than or equal to first day of last month. Okay, and these are all the empty we are checking. Okay, just apply this filter condition. I don't see any sub filter. I think because these will come automatically, right? System defined prompts. Okay, you can select all, do not prompt at runtime. Okay, then output should come to gauge. Then you have to select the output type as gauge, and you have to select these values. Material value is 1, gauge range should be 2, you can select. Okay, then sure, ignore the share option and advanced property. Okay, okay, let me give a try this one, guys. I'm going to share this report. Okay, they have given the complete instructions how you are going to create this report, how this look and feel. Okay, then you should come to me. Okay, or else you want to create one more gauge report. This is also one of the good example. We can see organization. Okay, but but don't spend so much time for this gauge option. Okay, in real time we will never use. Okay, very rare chances we are using this. The primary report, this report is organizations, any company, cost center, locations, regions. Okay, a supervisory organizations, everything should be part of organization, especially for your organization. how many people we are hiring, and how many people we are terminating. Okay. So based on their calculations, you will get the turnover percentage. Okay. So that turnover percentage, okay, you are selecting the some calculated field logic and make sure we are using the display the grand total checkbox. Okay, guys. And then filter conditions, we are using the only top level organizations we are taking. Okay, we are only taking the top level organizations. Now go back to output. We are using the gauge option. In the gauge options, the material value you are taking the turnover percentage, whatever the field you are using, right? Okay, the same field you are using in the materialized value. Now you are creating the turnover range. So this is the turnover range we created. Okay, and this we are going to use in this option. That's it. And see the output, how the output look and feel coming. You can get to know. Okay, perfect. You can see one more report. This is organizations have selected roles. Okay, sales period. Okay, good. So don't spend so much time because most of these reports are going to handle by matrix reports. Okay, very rare chances we will use the advanced report as a gauge options. Okay, but similar output we can able to define in the matrix reports very easily. Okay, but anyway, if you want to do some kind of practice related to this gauge report, you can take this report and do practice days. Okay, so this is an advanced report. You take the data source and then you are selecting the business object, take the turnover percentage and take the display grand totals and go to output. Take the materialized value must be turnover percentage. Create the turnover range. Okay, and apply this turnover this gauge range. Okay, to make them display as okay how the look and feel of the gauge report will come. See, you can also edit these and tell them you want to go different options off down round up. Okay, only round. Okay, you want to see how many zones, one zone, two zones, three zones. Okay, or you want to see how many decimal positions. We can create this particular gauge range, then this will be displaying the output file. Okay, so the next one is okay, let's go to the table only, or maybe a chart also it's fine. Okay, the next one is worklet. What is that? Worklet, guys. So very simple. You want to call any custom reports into a dashboard. You want to call, you want to call this custom report into a dashboards. You must and should need to enable this as a worklet option. Okay. For example, let's go to any of the dashboards. Any of the dashboards. See now, go to menu. Do you see the dashboards? Yeah, you can see the dashboard. You can see anything. Go to benefit dashboards. Go to benefit dashboard. I can see benefit dashboard reports. Correct? Benefit dashboard. Guys, what is dashboard? What is the use of the dashboard? Upcoming class we will discuss very detailed. Okay. Now go to dashboard settings. Click the plus button. I want to add this report into my dashboard. Can I add this? Can I add? No matches.
Yes.
No matches found. So how you will add a custom report into a dashboard? Custom report into a dashboard. So very simple. Go to output properties. Go to worklet option. Please select your report as a worklet option. Okay. So please enable this report as a worklet option. See, once you enable this report as a worklet, it is by defaultly available on two places: home button and my dashboard. Just click on OK. Now you enable this report as a worklet. Correct? Can I able to access this one again? No, no, right? Yeah, because you enable this report as a worklet, but it is not make it available for the specific dashboard. Correct? Go to output. See, you enable this as a worklet, and it is available only these two places. And which dashboard you are looking for? Benefit dashboard, right? You please make it available under benefit also. Benefit dashboard also. This is very, very important. Once you enable as worklet, and it is available by default in these two places. And the remaining dashboards you have to manually enter here. For example, you are looking for benefit dashboard, please make it available here and then try to save. Now go to this benefit dashboard. I'm able to access this report or not? Yeah, that's
Yes.
simple logic. Very simple logic. So if you want to access, if you want to access your custom report into a dashboard, see now, if you want to access your custom report into a dashboard, please make sure you need to enable that report as a worklet. And where you will enable that worklet, go to custom report properties, go to output properties. From there you can see the enable as worklet option. If you selected that option, by default it will come as home button and my dashboards. Correct? Yeah, from there you will make it available for which particular dashboard you are looking to add, and then you can save that report later, so that report is available under the specific dashboard reports. It's pretty simple, very straightforward concept. Okay, do you understand what is the use of the worklet option, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. See now you are able to add it. Now you are able to add the your advanced report version number 5 in your benefit dashboard, right? Yes or no? See, go to menu, go to dashboards. See now, go to benefit dashboards. See that 125 version 5 is coming or not? It's coming next. Okay, perfect. We'll discuss what is the dashboard, what is the purpose of using the dashboard. We'll take one separate session to give more understand of the dashboard. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to the report properties, especially the output worklet options. Yeah. If you want to call your custom report into a dashboard, please make sure you need to enable that report as a worklet option. Also, please make it available under the specific dashboard. Later, this report is available to configure under the specific dashboard option. Okay, perfect. The next one is help text. The next one is help text case. So this is the report output header text. Where it will come? You selected the more information, copy and paste it and run now. See, this is the help text. If you want to maintain any report output header, you can mention the more information. You can mention the more information. So, what is the output you are looking for? You can define here. Output employee employee salary details with cost center. Correct? This is what the header information I want to maintain. That will come here. Okay, to help you to very detail understand about the report output header columns. Okay, sorry, the report output to output column headings. Okay, perfect. So you can see the complete output properties. Very simple. So by default, the output is coming as a table. If in case you want to see the output as a chart, my business would like to see output as a chart. In the chart, they are looking for various output chart options like donut options, line options, bubble options, cluster column, stocked columns. Okay, we can choose whatever business looking for. Okay, and similarly, in case they would like to see chart or table, yes, we can also choose the chart and table. Gauge option we will use very rare opportunity. Okay, the specific range of the output file you want to looking for, we can use this gauge option. Okay, I also gave the report name. You can check some example how the look and feel of this. This is the one more example for the gauge report. Okay, and the next one is the worklet option. We also discussed about the worklet option. Okay, what is the purpose of using this worklet? Mainly, we will call this custom report into a dashboard. Yeah, please make sure you need to enable this as a worklet option and please make it available under the specific dashboard. And the last one is the help text. If you want to maintain any the report output header, okay, we can use the more information under help text. Online, anyone have any doubts regarding this output? It's very simple. 99% we always use the table and very rare chances we are using the worklet option. That's it. Remaining things we will never use. If any chart options, 90% of the reports we are going to create a matrix reports. Okay. But anyway, we will cover that properties as well here. Okay. Online people, anyone have any doubts regarding this output option?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
coming to report share option, it may take 1 hour session. Okay. We will continue tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we will take our regular class time only 9 to 10. Okay, guys. So
Okay.
yeah, today I have unexpected office meeting at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
that is why I requested to join.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Guys. Okay, so please complete these practical sessions, all the properties. Once property is completed, I will give you few assessments for reporting. I will give you few reports for your creations. Okay, let's see how many people are able to think and create those reports. Okay, thanks, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for